Dharamshala is a town in the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. It serves as the winter capital of the state and the administrative headquarters of Kangra district. Dharamshala is a unique and picturesque hill town nested in the Kangra Valley, and it's known for its stunning natural beauty and renowned for its rich cultural heritage. In large due to its close association with Tibetan culture and traditions. The town is divided into two distinct parts, Upper and Lower Dharamshala. It is the residence of Dalai Lama and the heart of Tibetan exile community. This town in Himachal Pradesh promises a transcendent travel experience, whether exploring monasteries, trekking through the Himalayan trails, or savoring diverse cuisines. Dharamshala offers a tapestry of experience for the travelers. Dharamshala is a scenic and panoramic hill station tucked away in the Himalayas, with Dhauladhar ranges and thick Kangra forest in the background. Dharamshala has become an important highlight in most Himachal tour packages. As the place of residence of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, this picturesque destination is not only popular among tourists but also among spiritual seekers and religious travelers. Dharamshala boasts of jaw-dropping backdrop, stunning lake, vibrant monasteries, colorful temples, sparkling waterfalls, and vintage forts and museums. To make your trip to Dharamshala more fascinating and organized, here is the list of places to visit in Dharamshala, and don't just visit them. Take time to explore. Tuklakam complex visit this religious center. Namgyal Monastery, most visited Tibetan temple. Kareri Dal Lake, cape at the surreal beauty. Bangsungang Temple, pay a visit with fam. Bangsungham Waterfall, watch the water cascading down. Dharamshala Cricket Stadium, the highest cricket ground. Library of Tibetan Works and Archives, see the amazing museum. Trimud, Heaven of Truckers. Dharamkot, a quaint hill station. Noblikam's Institute, get in-depth knowledge of Tibetan life. One of its suburbs, the Upper Dharamshala, also known as McLeod, became a paradise for foreigners and Indian travelers. People who wanted to experience Tibetan culture, enjoy different cuisines from Indian to Tibetan, Israeli to Italian, and meet the Dalai Lama, learn meditation and yoga, and escape from the mundane city life.
Dalai Lama are those beings who, after having attained enlightenment and liberation from rebirth, opt for reincarnation voluntarily out of compassion for others in order to serve humanity.
Dharamshala's food culture is an amalgamation of Himachali, Punjabi, Tibetan, Italian, and Israeli cuisines. In lower reaches of the city, you will mostly find Indian and Tibetan food, while higher you move McLeod Ganj and Dharamshala, you will see more variety of Italian, Israeli, European, American, even Japanese and Korean food joints. Dharamshala's beauty is not merely in the scenic vistas, but also in its profound culture and spiritual heritage. The town is a vibrant tapestry woven from the threads of Tibetan culture, with the presence of His Holiness the Dalai Lama lending an aura of peace and introspection. Monasteries and prayers add flashes of colors to landscapes, fluttering gently in the mountain breeze as a symbol of hope and resilience.
Head here during the summer with a group of friends or solo. From February to June is believed to be the best time to visit Dharamshala that will make you capture the best of this place.
It's always better to avoid long weekends or holidays. Better avoid monsoon seasons as well. Save money using public transport. Be sensitive and respectful at monasteries. Pre-book Dalai Lama's teaching sessions if you're interested.